Vijender Singh is also joining us on the phone line at the moment. Vijender, thanks very much for speaking with NDTV. Your first reaction?
First reaction is I'm totally shocked, disheartened, angry, and very disappointed. And I can't explain my anger in words.
Also with us, joining us live from Paris, Rika, you had a question?
Vijender, we would like for you to really tell us as to how, she weighed under her, weight, 50 kilos yesterday. And today there was a difference of 100 grams when she was weighed once again, and how that impacted her taking part in the competition. Could you please break this down for us? Because weight category is something that is very important in boxing as well.
Yes, that's true. And but 100 gram is nothing. We can reduce almost 4 to 5 kg in a night. So 100 gram, we can easily do that. And we know that I'm going to fight tomorrow. So we are control our weight in the night, or we can go for training, or we can do any damn thing. And then we get a chance. If my weight is over 100 grams, so we get a chance to reduce it like almost 1 hour or like 30 minutes. We'll go for be wearing sweatsuit and just go out for a run. So 100 gram is nothing. I think, I don't know, why they took that kind of hard decision on her. And everybody like her. We are praying, my family are praying, whole India is praying for her. And finally this thing happened. So we are very angry. We want she should win a gold medal for India. And we are very disheartened right now.
Vijender, would you say that it is also the failure of the team not to be able to manage those 100 grams? As you're saying, 100 grams, cutting down 100 grams is nothing.
No, we can't blame team. I think we should blame, IOC, who's that represent that Olympic association. I think we blame that one, because 100 gram is nothing. Might be there's some, they don't want to win her. That's it. Might be there's a controversy behind this thing against India, right? They don't want, we should Indian get a gold in wrestling. So this can also happen, because that thing will happen all the time.
Vijender, I also want to understand.
For a moment, what Vijender is saying is actually huge. He is essentially saying that boxing may, Vijender, if I understand you correctly, boxing may there is time that is given, because आप कह रहे हैं कि 100 grams is really nothing. तो क्या protocol क्या होता है?
We get a time up that it will go for weight. हम weight के लिए जाते हैं और weight हमारा 100 ग्राम up है, तो जो हमें चांस मिलता है दोबारा उसको कम करने के लिए, तो हम उसके ऊपर स्वेटिंग सूट पहना, सोनाबाद में चले गए, स्टीम बाथ कर लिया, रनिंग कर ली, और we just leave everything, water, food, everything. So I don't know what happened with the team, or I don't know who's that responsible for that hard decision, why they do that. We are not happy with that decision. Whole India is not happy with the decision. So I don't know what to say.
नेगोशिएट इस वक्त नेगोशिएशन हो सकता है, क्योंकि बाउट शाम को है, कोई नेगोशिएशन पॉसिबल है क्या?
जी, मैं मानता हूं कि इसमें जो हमारी जो कमेटी, हमारी जो ऑब्जर्वर, जो हमारे कहते टीम गई है, जो आला कमान है, वो उनसे बात करे और कहते कि एक स्ट्रॉन्ग डिसीजन ले अगेंस्ट कि हम ओलंपिक को कहते कि छोड़ देंगे, तो और छोड़ के आ जाओ यार। अभी ऐसे थोड़ी नहीं होता है कि आपकी लड़की को सरेआम आपके सामने चीटिंग हो रही है, आप वहाँ बैठे हुए हैं। जस्ट लीव इट, जस्ट गो एंड जस्ट टेल देम कि वी डोंट वांट योर ओलंपिक एंड जस्ट कम बैक टू इंडिया। Then they will realize it. Yes, my team is finally take the right decision for that Vinesh Fogart. So ऐसा नहीं होता, कभी नहीं देखा। I play 3 Olympic, 4, 8, 12, but कभी मेरी लाइफ में कभी किसी स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन को इस तरह से निकालना, अनफिट करना, वो भी फाइनल में, तो मुझे नहीं मालूम। मैं पता नहीं
कहता इस डिसीजन का जो रीका ने आपसे पूछा, मैं दोबारा पूछूंगी, इस डिसीजन का अभी भी अपील हो सकता है कि ये डिसीजन अब फाइनल है, इसके खिलाफ अपील नामुमकिन है?
जी, हो सकता है। अगर वहाँ पे जो भी जो टीम गई है हमारी हिंदुस्तान की, वो वहां पे जाके जो वर्ल्ड जो ओलंपिक एसोसिएशन उससे बात करे, उनको बताए कि ये रॉन्ग है, गलत है, आप इसके अगेंस्ट में स्टैंड लीजिए।